every bird is the same. Now you can turn the bird's head down or heading up or heading back. But don't align it with the tail. That's not good. We just do it the same way so you can see exactly. So this is the face, kind of a chest, the throat. We will change the brush, but it's okay. So the eye is almost like closed when they're doing this breathing, they look like sleeping. And you can have the white crown. It's a white crown. And so don't use white. Just use light ink to not outline, but suggest.
Star right there.
Star.
Oh.
Yeah. So similar to the bird we learned last class.